Kitty, kitty. Hello, everybody. Charlie here. You should know me by now. Hey, I'm still outside pressure washing the house. And a lot of work for an old man. Anyway, I'll turn you around. I'm done from there all the way down there. I did the porch. Got it cleaned up. It was black from mold and green from mildew. All that good stuff. That's my little pressure washer. That Samson I worked on a couple of years ago. The needle valve was sticking. I took it out and cleaned it, and it lasted a little while. And it kept sticking again, and my son said, "Get you some Marvel Mystery Oil and pour in the gas tank." And sure enough, I poured a couple of ounces in it, and I haven't had the trouble out of it since. But anyway, take a walk out here. Don't that look better? And Autumn's already marking on it. Little brat. I cleaned the concrete right here, but I still got to get out there and do it, and I need to do the carport area. But I'll show you how bad this mold and mildew gets bad on the north end of the house. Well, you can see where I've done already. It gets bad. I wish there was a cure for it, but it's not. I hope that bead nest don't have nothing in it. Can't tell. I don't think so. There's one way up there that does. So I had to watch out for that. I think it's been 2 years since I did this. And the back of the house is really bad. But it'll get done sooner or later. Just a lot of work. My hand gets tired of holding the trigger. So show y'all what I did temporarily until I figure out something better. If any of y'all got something better on holding the trigger closed, let me know. But I just took me a piece of electrical tie here. Probably gonna be hard to do. Pull the trigger and put the tie over the trigger. But they should have trigger locks for these guns, because it sure hurts your hand after a while. But I'll leave a link in the description from the last time I washed the house. I think it's been like 2 years ago. Normally I try to do it every year, but get my age, you don't feel like it. Anyway, y'all have a wonderful, what's today? Wednesday. And hey, we will be having a giveaway here pretty soon, so y'all stay tuned for that update. We finally hit the 5K. Yay! Took 4.5 years. But we're not the perfect content people. We just try to be everyday, real people. So, y'all stay tuned for the giveaway, and we'll have announcements pretty soon. We love y'all. Y'all like, share, and subscribe as usual. Bye, y'all.